potluck crazy bunch. We meet occasionally and it's always a potluck. So what do you do when you have such demanding friends? You create a Mexican style chicken so simple that it's going to actually shock you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating this. This one just requires some great food processor magic. So into my food processor goes in 3 whole red onions, 3 whole tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 5 green chilies, I want that spice, 12 cloves of garlic, 2 inches of ginger, a large handful of some beautiful cilantro or the regular green coriander, and we're just going to blitz this up so that it settles. Well settled. Now into this goes about 4 tablespoons of some gorgeous tomato paste, some Greek yogurt, nearly about 200 ml of that, and we're going to spice this gorgeous creation up. Don't be alarmed, 3 teaspoons of some smoked red paprika, 1 heaped teaspoon of some roasted cumin powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of some onion powder, 1 heaped teaspoon of some garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder, and 3 teaspoons of some sweet red paprika. We're going to season this with some regular sea salt, a large sprinkling of it. Lastly, in goes a slathering of some extra virgin olive oil, nearly 25 to 30 mils. Blitz this entire creation up. Quick and easy, right? Now the best part, you reserve half of this for a dip and the other half to marinate your chicken. Into 2 kgs of chicken whole legs, that is the thigh and the drumsticks, this goes, and I'm just going to marinate it for about an hour and onto a tray it bakes. Into a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for just about 45 minutes. Baked well and charred to perfection, this Mexican chicken is ready to be taken just like this for that potluck. The juices right at the base serve for that perfect dipping sauce to dip some flatbread into. I hope you enjoyed creating this one with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a